Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for MakeMyTrip. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, we're going to open up a web browser, head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, we want to type in promo codes for MakeMyTrip and then hit enter. And now from here, we've got third-party websites offering different promo codes for MakeMyTrip. So if we scroll down, we can use any one of these or check any one of these out. But one I like to use is called worththepenny.com. This site is great for finding promo code, coupon codes, etc. So we're going to head on over to this website and then we're going to see what type of promo codes they've got going. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at later dates. So as we can see, we're at worththepenny.com on MakeMyTrip coupon codes and discount codes. So they've got today's best offer. So we got 50% off here and the code is verified and it's got some stats on this code. So 99 people have used this code with a 99% success rate at the time of recording. And now what you need to do is click on the promo code to load the coupon. And now from here, click on right now, click the checkout 50% off flights. This will be different depending what time or what date you're looking at this video. So here's the code, MMTUS. So I want to copy this code and paste this code at near the checkout section or MakeMyTrip to save 50% off flights, hotels, and more.